Good morning! Hello! Oh, she's sleepy. She's tired. It is really, really gloomy outside today. I woke up a little late today. It's like already 10 o'clock. I just slept in because I went somewhere exciting recently. I'm not gonna say where, but you'll see in the next vlog. I still have my luggage that I have yet to unpack because I literally just got home like yesterday. So yeah, I just want to spend a day at home doing cozy things, reading. I tried taking this with me on my trip to read, but honestly, I cannot read like on airplanes. I've tried multiple times. I can only read like a chapter or two because I'm just overstimulated, and I'm also terrified of flying. So I cannot focus and I cannot put myself into this book when I'm literally like shaking. For breakfast, I'm gonna make an egg sandwich. My mom bought these little muffins, like to make sausage muffins and stuff. I know. Ooh, this is a brand new pepper. A little bit of pepper. Some milk. The reason why it looks like this, it's not old, but it's because it has a cream topping on the outside, so that's why it just looks like that. But I promise you, it's not expired. It's just the cream top. Just a little bit of cheese. I'm gonna add some sausage into my sandwich. This is chicken apple sausage, and it does need to defrost. Let's get my pan. Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee in the meantime. First, I'm gonna line the cup up with caramel drizzle. Maybe I should not store this in the refrigerator. Oh my gosh, why is it so hard? My butterscotch. I always do half and half, so half of this chai and then half milk. Got my ice. I'm gonna get ready right now because I'm gonna go and get lunch. I kind of want to have a little solo date by myself, even though I said I wanted to stay inside. There's this restaurant I've been wanting to go back to for a while now, so I'm gonna get ready for that. And then I also have presents that I need to wrap up. These are a bunch of presents that I got for my cousins, and Christmas is literally in, I think, 6 days. I think so. But yeah, so I have to wrap all these up. I got them such cute little items. Let's get ready really quickly. I'm not in the mood to get ready, so this is just gonna be quick. I look so pale and dead. Oh my gosh. That's how you know I have not been sleeping enough. Like, 2 completely different colors. I don't know why, but it just doesn't feel like Christmas yet, or it doesn't feel like Christmas is like so soon. I think it's because the months have been going by so fast. Like, it was just October and then Thanksgiving, and now it's already Christmas. I'm so excited to get lunch for myself. You have no idea. Just finished getting ready. I kind of did my hair a bit. It was just a quick little blowout. I organized whose gift is whose. So this is my older teen cousin, and then this one is the younger teen. I think I got really cute stuff for them. Each item was under $30. Even like this freaking camera, which I honestly wanted to keep. Thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring this video, because every single item is from Walmart, and like I said, every single item is $30 or under. There's so many items from Walmart. I thought it was gonna be really hard to find like items that fit them perfectly, but with the gift finder, it was honestly pretty easy to find every single item for them. For my first cousin, she likes anything girly, pink. She's also like a Pinterest girly, so I know she likes taking pictures. And she likes body shower stuff and then like skincare. This is what I picked up for her. First thing was this camera. I honestly wanted to keep this one for myself because it's a pink digital camera. This was less than $30. I can't believe this was $12, but this is the Mario Badescu little skincare pack. It comes with dry patches, foaming cleanser, and then rose water. She loves like sweet scents. The strawberry cheesecake set, this was only $5. It comes with fuzzy sock, lotion, and a perfume. I already know she'd love this smell. I also got this Tree Hut cocoa scrub. This smells so freaking good. I can like smell it from the lid. She loves coffee like me, so I got her this. It's like a little frother, so that way she can make her little cold foam at home whenever she's making coffees. So that way she doesn't have to buy coffee, so she can save her money. I have no idea how I forgot to put this one in the video because it's the biggest item, but I got her this little Hello Kitty plushie. It is so cute. It's Hello Kitty and Friends. It has a little sleeping mask, and she's wearing pink. It is so adorable. I also got her a Hello Kitty blanket, but it's not coming in until a couple days later. But I'll put it right here and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's so cute. My second cousin loves anything cozy, comfy. She's a big bookworm. So this is what I got her. She loves Legos too. She has this huge flower Lego collection, but she doesn't have these yet. So I got her these flower Legos. This one is so cute. It's like a little pot and then the red flowers popping out. She wears Crocs like 24/7, and so I got these little fuzzy socks that way she could keep her feet warm in her Crocs. I got her a bunch of different hair clips. This one is a 12 pack, so it comes with 12 different clips and then different colors to match whatever outfit she chooses to wear that day. She doesn't really wear any makeup, so I got her this tinted lip balm from Burt's Bees. She loves these pimple patches so much. The next thing I got her are these cute little earrings. I wanted to keep this one for myself because she loves to read books. I figured I'd get her a candle warmer so that way she can read her little books and have her little candle warmer on at nighttime. It'd be like such a mood. I still cannot believe that this was also under $30. Let me just show you guys. Sorry. I'm gonna open your present, Alea. But this is how it looks so far. I'm not gonna open it all the way, but I wish you guys can see, like, you guys see how adorable that is? So you place the candle under here, you turn it on, and it warms up your candle without having to use like a match. Thank you again, Walmart, for sponsoring this portion of the video. And I also cannot believe how easy it was to shop for both of them. There also was a couple of items that I wanted to get. I'll put it on screen. I thought were really cute ideas, but they were out of stock because I'm telling you, Walmart has such good items for such a good price. Yeah, no wonder why they're out of stock. Let's get ready. I'm for sure gonna wear this cheetah coat. How adorable. First option is dark jeans, white t-shirt, red sweater, or a burgundy sweater, whichever one matches, or just a white long sleeve and the dark jeans. Try this cardigan first. Ooh, I already like this just alone. I like this by itself. I think it looks pretty cool. See? This looks pretty good. Just looks weird when I put the jacket on. Okay, I figured it out. This is the outfit. Jacket, wearing the white long sleeve because it's just comfy. And then jacket, black shoes, boots. Was so good. I mainly went over there for the oysters because they're my favorite. The only thing I had left was a little bit of veggies and the rice. But Julian is coming over in a little bit. It's already 7-11. I need to take a shower. My nose is getting like stuffed. I didn't get any dessert over there, but I have some leftover candy from on the trip that I went to. These are so good. I ate the whole bag. There's only 2 left. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, ma'am. Christmas tree on. Mimsy. We're right there. It's literally 2 in the morning right now. Julian already left like a long time ago, and I took a little nap, and now I'm like wide awake. So we're just gonna wrap the presents right now. This is how everything is looking so far. So I have all the presents, and then I'm gonna wrap it with this because I like the way these look instead of like regular wrapping paper. The only tape I have is duct tape and this washing tape. Is that what they call it? And then I have a shoebox full of like ribbon and bows. Honestly, I kind of forgot how to wrap presents, so let's watch a TikTok about it. Look who came to wrap presents with me. Oh, ma'am. Oh, okay. I don't know if you're helping. Oh, wow. Literally Mimsy's paw.
Are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow. A secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given.
Okay, this is everything I wrapped so far. This one, this one, and then those 2. I still have to wrap these 2, and then I don't know how I'm gonna wrap that. I think I'm just gonna throw that in a bag. These are so cute. I'm so happy how they turned out.